Well, as I showed you before, we did the shish kebab or the kofta, and now we're gonna put it in the grill. Heat the grill first, and then we're gonna start putting that in there like that. Oh, the smell already! Wow, unbelievable. Do you want to flip that? I think you have to wait for a little bit. It's just to hold it, and then you flip it, and then oh, the smell is just unbelievable. You should spray the grill first so it won't stick. Okay, can you get the PEM spray? I should have done that first with PEM spray, but I'll leave it for a minute. That will help too. See, now if you pull it, it's gonna cut it, so just leave it for a minute or so to hold, and it's a lot better to spray it. I forgot to spray. But the smell is just unbelievable. So just the spray it with PEM spray like that. Okay, and then we put the rest. So it'll be easy to flip. You see, now I can flip it with no problem. It won't take long, a couple of seconds, and we'll be done. Wow, the PEM spray helped for sure. See that one, we forgot the PEM spray. Look what happened. So I forgot about it, and that's what happened. So don't forget the PEM spray. That's fine. We ruined one or two. It's okay. But it's just wow. That's beautiful. Put the rest here. I just spray it here. I'm gonna focus on those so I can show you, and then I'll finish the video. You wanna close it for a minute? I'm gonna close the grill and wait for a minute so it cook from every side. And this is the rest of them. Put it in high. And we'll wait for a minute or two. And then we open it again. Okay. That's gonna take a while. I don't want to keep the video running, but I want to show you the end results. Yummy. Smells so good. And see, because when you put these in the water first, some of them burned. Did not get enough water, and some of them still get. And that is what they call it, kofta. It's a Mediterranean food. Ah, smells so good. See, this is what happens when you don't put the skewers in water. It'll burn like that. So that's why I put them in water. They start changing color, and that means it's almost cooked. And then you can't believe the smell here. It's just beautiful. Now the phone is gonna melt. This is almost done. This is how it's gonna look like. And enjoy. We're gonna finish the rest. And thank you for watching.